Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at this heavy duty jump starter. We always love when it comes in cases, so this one does come in a protective housing case. So you got your manual, some accessories in here. Oh, this is heavy duty. We can feel that. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Pretty nice looking. All right, so it does have a display. It's a little hard. You guys probably aren't going to be able to read that display. I mean, it's a little tough to see it. In person, I can see it, but it is a little dim. We'll have to see if there's an option of turning that up higher or not. But you got a light. Jump starter goes in here. You can charge your devices in here, and also the power bank system unit. For those who like stats, you can pause the video right here and read some stats. You can force start. So force starting is when it's turned on and it's connected and you press and hold force start. That kind of gives it this like full force battery charge, and you only want to force start it when the battery is completely dead on your vehicle. So keep that in mind, my friends. It'll say the watts, it'll show the battery percentage in here as well. All right guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.